For beginners looking to start investing, there are several user-friendly investment apps available that offer low fees, educational resources, and intuitive interfaces. Here are 5 of the best investing apps for beginners. Robinhood. Known for its commission-free trading, Robinhood offers a straightforward platform for buying and selling stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. It provides a simple interface and educational resources to help beginners learn about investing. Acorns. Acorns is an app that focuses on micro-investing, allowing users to invest spare change from everyday purchases into a diversified portfolio of ETFs. It's an excellent option for beginners who want to start investing with small amounts of money. Wealthfront. Wealthfront is a robo-advisor that offers automated, low-cost investment management services. It provides a range of investment options, including ETFs and tax-efficient strategies, making it suitable for beginners who prefer a hands-off approach to investing. Betterment. Similar to Wealthfront, Betterment is a robo-advisor that provides automated portfolio management and personalized investment advice. It offers a user-friendly platform, goal-based investing options, and tax-efficient strategies tailored to individual financial goals. Stash. Stash is an investment app that offers a range of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and team portfolios based on personal interests and values. It provides educational content and guidance to help beginners make informed investment decisions.